Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about subtraction.
Nancy and her family were going on for a family picnic. Come, let's learn to subtract two-digit numbers without regrouping with them. Look, Mr. Willem is eating cherries. He has 68 cherries. He eats 16 cherries. Now let's find out how many cherries are left with him. We have to subtract 16 from 68 to find out the number of cherries left. 68 cherries means 6 tens and 8 ones cherries, and 16 cherries means 1 10 and 6 ones cherries. To subtract, we first cancel 6 ones from 8 ones is equal to 2 ones, and then we cancel 1 10 from 6 tens is equal to 5 tens. So we get the answer as 5 tens and 2 ones. Hence, there are 52 cherries left with Mr. Willem. Now, instead of removing the cherries, we can subtract the numbers directly. Now see and write the numbers in the place value chart. Now, we have to subtract the numbers from ones and tens column. We need to subtract 6 from 8 in the ones column. So 8 minus 6 gives you 2. Moving on to the tens column, we need to subtract 1 from 6, and so 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Thus, we get 52 as answer. There are 52 cherries left with Mr. Willem. They had a nice time in the picnic. Hope you all enjoyed the picnic with Nancy's family. Today, we are going to learn about subtraction of three-digit numbers by regrouping tens to ones. Look, the leaves are falling. There are 893 leaves on the ground, but only 456 leaves are yellow. How many green leaves have also fallen down? We have to subtract 456 from 893 to find out the number of green leaves. Subtract the ones, that is 3 minus 6. As 3 is lesser than 6, we regroup the 9 tens as 8 tens plus 10 ones. Now we have 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 ones. Therefore, 13 minus 6 is equal to 7 ones. Now subtract the tens, that is 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 tens. Last, subtract the hundreds, that is 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 hundreds. Thus, 893 minus 456 is equal to 437. Hence, we conclude that 437 green leaves have fallen down. Wow! It was fun learning in this beautiful forest with many things, right?
Mixed practice. We are going to subtract 156 from 723. First, we need to arrange the numbers in the place value chart. To begin with, we are going to subtract the number of digits in the ones place. We have 3 and 6. As 3 is lesser than 6, we are going to regroup from the tens place. So 2 tens become 1 10 and 3 ones becomes 13 ones. So 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Moving on to the tens place, we have 1 and 5. As 1 is lesser than 5, we need to regroup from the hundreds place. So 7 hundreds becomes 6 hundreds and 1 10 becomes 11 tens. So 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Moving on to the hundreds place, we have 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So 723 minus 156 is equal to 567. We need to remember the following steps for solving. Step 1. Subtract the ones. Since there are not enough ones, you will have to regroup. Step 2. Subtract the tens. Since there are not enough tens, you will have to regroup. Step 3. Subtract the hundreds. Now let's recap the following notes that are needed for regrouping. 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 tens is equal to 100. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. Hope you all enjoyed today's class. Thank you, children.